box.
Hey, Bailey. Hey, Bailey. For a corner kick, try hanging out right at the top where the blue line is this time.
Ridley in the
Bailey.
goal.
Bailey, try hanging out right at the top of the blue line this time. Try it.
White, find someone. Find someone.
No, White, come on.
Yeah, Kate, well done. Yeah, Kate, what do you see? Good, stay with it, stay with it. Win it, win it, win it, win it, win it. Oh, good work, good work. All right. Play on, play on, play on. He's doing play on. Win it back, White. Nice, Miley.
Settle it. Great kick, great pass.
Can you win that, Scarlett?
Good job, Ashley. Let's win it.
Good, White.
Good work.
Can we win it, Layla? Can we
Go
win it?
for it.
Good work, well done. Take her.
Quick, Layla, quick. Like, quick.
Felicity,
Great pass.
your defense,
Step up.
girl. Keep going.
Let's go.
Eloise,
Let's organize.
help
Let's
the
go.
defense.
Good, Ophelia. Scarlett, move up, move up. Keep playing. That's you, Kate, that's you. Scarlett, stay with, Scarlett.
Let's get it out of there. Switch it wide. Let's go. Go, Cass. Go,
Ripple
Cass.
outside. Good, Whitney.
Good job, Allison. Make sure you drop back. Good job. Cass, make sure you go.
Felicity,
Strike it.
Felicity.
Good job. All right.
Make sure you're staying back to help.
All right. Bailey, Cass, stop talking to me. Go, go.
All right, Ridley, find your teammate.
One of you run in and press that plan.
Oh, not in the middle, not in the middle. Oh, not in the middle, Brooklyn. Good, Felicity. Good, Scarlett. Take her, Scarlett, take her.
You got Bailey. Good, go Bailey. You got Cass.
Good. Ophelia, stay
Go,
on
go,
those
go.
feet.
Go, go, go.
Stay on those feet. Come on.
Go, go, go. Come on.
There you go, Ophelia. That's yours to win. Kate, you got it.
All right, Bailey, call for it.
Yeah, White.
Yay! Good job, Ashley. Great cross, Cora.
All right, White, we got to make sure we get it out of that space.
Great cross, Cora.
Scarlett, you got to keep winning it back. Winning it back. Come on, Ophelia, let's go. Go choose, Scarlett, come on. Good, Miley. Good, Scarlett. Stay with her, Scarlett, stay with her.
Send it. Good.
All right, Kate,
Let's go,
can
Bailey.
we
Off
get
the
there?
side.
Can we get
Go
there,
wide,
Kate?
go wide.
Get there.
Now we help the defense.
Outside, outside.
Good, Ashley.
That's you,
Carry
Ophelia.
it up
That's
wide.
you,
Stay with it.
Ophelia.
Keep the ball. Keep the ball.
Good, Ophelia. There you go.
Whoa.
Up, up, up.
Bailey, it's
Can you
yours.
find
Go,
Kate?
Go, 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 go.
Oh, that's not
Yeah,
Kate.
Cass, quick. Great pass. Come on, Cass.
Yay!
Yay! Great job, Cassie. Great job, Bailey. Great pass, Bailey.
Ophelia, you got to find your teammate. Find your teammate.
Good, Olive. Excellent. That's fine. That's fine.
Scarlett, you good? Keep that head up.
Can we get there, White? Can we get there? Can we get there? Hard work,
Good.
hard work, hard work.
Hard. You got it. Oh, got it.
Good job, Ashley.
How can we help Layla?
Stay with. Good, Kate. Good.
It's yours, Bailey. Up the side.
Scarlett,
Try going down the
that's
sideline.
you, Scarlett. Win that, Scarlett. Good. Keep going, Scarlett.
Go down
Keep
the sideline.
going.
Just down the sideline.
Don't stop now. Don't stop now.
There.
Good, Brooklyn. Outside, Felicity.
Cross, Bailey.
Good. Outside.
Cross. Can we cross? Cross.
Go to Felicity. Good, Brooklyn. Way to be there.
Well done, Bailey.
Step.
Ashley.
Out of the middle.
that back, Bailey. Good job.
Felicity, great pass. Great pass. Keep it up. Good, Kate.
Now we work back, White. Well done, Bailey. Excellent.
Go, Ashley. Send it.
Playing away from pressure. though.
Outside, Brooklyn, outside. Good.
Go, Cora. Go, Cora.
Good, Felicity, well done.
Let's go, Cora.
Good, Ridley.
Nice try, Cora.
Good job, Ridley, well done.
Good job. Spread
You
out on
good?
the line. One of you run into push. One of you run into press. Bailey, you do it this time. Bailey.
Scarlett, do you need a sub? No, not right now. I said in a minute.
Yeah, Cora!
All right, go ahead in. Scarlett, come on. Up top, Lydia, up top. All right, go get a quick sip of water because I'm putting you right back in for defense. Quick sip, come on.
Bailey, to the right of Macy. Good.
You got it, Bailey, all the way. You got it. 2 to beat, 2 to beat.
Stay.
Close the space, Bailey. How can we get up?
White, drop. Miley, drop. Drop.
You got a free kick.
Well done, Bailey. Well done, Bailey.
Brooklyn, drop.
Yep.
Felicity, drop.
Get in front of that
Now
net.
we help defend.
Bailey,
Eloise, we
front of
help
that.
defend. Good. Bailey, keep dropping.
Ophelia, you can't be that close to the ball.
Look behind you, Bailey. That's your player.
Ashley, right in front of the net.
You go away from pressure, Bailey.
Miley, look behind you. What a ball.
Nice try, Cora. Good job.
Nice kick, girl.
Well done, Olive. We play quick, Olive. Quick. Well done. We need one way. Keep working, Eloise. Bailey, keep going with her.
Ridley, it's yours. Outside, ladies, outside. Not to the middle. Good decision. Lydia, win it, Lydia, win it. Good, Ophelia, stay with that. Well done, Ophelia. Good, Kate, stay with it. Good job, Ashley. Push through.
Unlucky, Evelyn. Good job.
Freeze. They're doing it.
Watch the ball, White. Watch the ball.
Will they send it on
I don't know.
And does the camera move by itself forever?
I think so. I'm not sure how theirs works. All right, White, find a player. Brooklyn, look behind you. Behind you, Brooklyn. There you go. Felicity, come on. Felicity. Hey, guys, it's a kick. Come on, Felicity. You're recording. You're doing some nice aggressive work. I'm just going to get a quick sip. I'm going to put you right back in. Go 2, Lydia. Come on. That's yours to win back, Ophelia. That's yours to win back. Brooklyn, it's a goal kick. it. Come on. Scarlett. Scarlett. Drop. You ready? Okay, go right here. I'm actually going to put you in center mid for Ophelia. So that means you're up and back. Sound good? There you go, Ophelia. Win it, Lydia. Win it. Go on the field. Step, Miley, step. Well done. Stay right there. Good, Brooklyn. Well done, White. Well done, White. Good, Lydia. Keep going. Yours, Ophelia. Kate, can you win that? Can you win that, Kate? Full speed, full speed. Good, Scarlett. Great step. Well done, Scarlett. Win that, win that. Said stay down
Go,
if
Ashley,
you need
right
help.
down the line.
Stay down if you need
Right
help.
down the line.
Come here, Ophelia.
Ashley.
Come on. Go. Scarlett, you're good, you're good.
I thought I saw dark hair go down. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hey, Cora, the chief.
I'm sorry, Alice.
Wildfire down the line. Get right at the, hey girls, from this distance, get right where that yellow line is. I want you guys to see what the yellow line is right here? Line right up on this yellow line.
Okay, it's probably a little bit of a stick,
Even with the
right?
last defender. Haley, you too, you're upside here. Yep. Even with the last defender. Come up. And stop. Perfect.
Hard work, White. Hard work. Hard work. Hard work.
Brooklyn!
Can we win it, Lucy? Let's go win the ball.
Good, Pete. Well done. Good, Felicity. Hard work. Hard work.
Pretty purple
Win it,
line.
White. Can we win it?
So you're attacking. So you're trying to score. Down there, okay? Yep. You're going to be an attacker. Your set pieces, I don't know how long we practiced that, but they are incredible. Thank you.
We're
Have you guys been a team for a while?
We're I guess technically a rec team. There is a cohort of girls,
Yours, Ridley. Good.
two cohorts of girls actually. One at my older daughter's age and another at my daughter and my younger daughter's age.
Okay.
I was just like,
Where are you guys located?
Lunenburg County, just like a little bit south of Louisville. Yeah.
You guys are very solid.
Thank you.
Very, very solid.
I'm thinking on this field right now. Every single one of them, we got older siblings that are absolute killers, and I think that just translated, to.
Way to stay with it, Crummy.
Very focused, and you guys do good things. I mean,
It's you,
Get it,
Savannah.
Savannah. Pick it up, Savannah. Pick it up.
it also helps when they play together.
Yeah, and then what we do is they play in like they play co-ed rec most of the time, except we recently went to the rest of them play in co-ed rec leagues, co-ed rec
Got it.
leagues,
That's awesome.
But if you can
And,
just use eyes, okay.
Good
I
for
was
you
like,
guys.
I gotta do this with them. I gotta
You
like send
guys
them
are
into the world and kind of see what's going on. So I
And
appreciate
plus,
that.
for the center, so I don't know how you feel about the second half if the score is crazy.
I'm gonna start rotating because I think 5 is the most differential we can get anyway. So like I'm gonna try to keep it. I'm gonna try to have them do some different things.
You don't know. Okay.
Absolutely. Just 'cause
This group is,
they don't want to go.
they're new.
That definitely.
And they've never played together
Oh really?
until
That's on.
This season?
Bailey!
Okay.
So
Ileana!
we're learning. We have some girls that will, are aggressive and things, but we're learning. And
No,
so
I can see you guys are doing a good job with them. Even the last team, like I can see just like they've got.
we
you
hung
guys-
in with the last team until the end. They got tired.
You guys seem the girls
he's
here
making
all
you
seem
go
to have like really good like on the ball,
I'll
like
be
good
strong.
technical skills. You'll see kids back where I'm from where like they don't get any instruction, and like I said, it takes like a family at home to just raise up a kid.
Good job, Ridley.
That's gonna be like that. So
Awesome.
what I might do is if we get up
Whatever.
to, I might just be like, I might tell them just like no shots inside the box. That almost always shuts it down because then they gotta like really like focus on
Whatever
setting
feels
things up.
comfortable.
I'll start with that. That one right there, she can hit it. So
I could tell. I saw that
Yeah.
free kick and I was like,
Yeah.
wow, that's better than what I could do.
She can hit it. She can hit it. Number 25 can hit it from there, but the rest of them,
25's
those
great. You guys are awesome. I'll be rooting for you guys tonight. Yeah, you'll probably end up playing our other white team.
Out of the middle!
The last game we played against Kangaroos, the other team you guys played, it was aggressive.
Oh yeah,
They were pushing each other.
Yeah.
I was like, hey guys, come on now.
Yeah,
You all got another game.
And that's the other thing I noticed. Like, some of the girls in here that when we come to these tournaments, like they're all very physical, much more physical than how the girls are back in my area. The boys are physical, but the girls tend not to be.
Come on, Brooklyn!
So I don't know. What are on the roll right now? Is it like 6? Is it 5?
Good, Ridley.
See, that would be good if I keep that happening outside the box and give the goalie a chance. Like that'll be a good game just to have her stop some shots.
Good for you guys getting some fun experience.
Thank you.
I love it.
This group, I think, so we.
Scarlett, fast, fast. Oh, not in the middle, Scarlett. Come on now. Not in the middle. That's why. Scarlett, not in the middle.
The strikers, we've done the rec level strikers
Ready?
tournaments.
Is that my father? What?
Can we win the ball, White?
They won Utah. And so
That's
we're
my
like-
dad.
So we're like, we gotta start getting this one.
You guys are fitting, right?
Thank you.
Oh, bigger now.
I'll sub you in next time. Next time I'm gonna put you in for.
Kate, are you good?
I'm gonna put you in for the. Got it?
Smiley, you good? Okay, go ahead. Lydia. Up top, Ophelia. Up top. Let's go. Lydia. Ophelia, down that line, down the line, Ophelia. Here you go.
Well done, Eloise. Way to step to it.
Go two, Felicity, go two. Good turn. Can you find a teammate? Can you find her? Good, Scarlett. I'm fine with that. That's fine. Felicity, can you drop and help? Drop and help. Go two, Brooklyn. Go two. Good, Brooklyn.
Can we win it? Can we win it? We want the ball.
Can you be ready in 2 minutes?
Working White. We want the ball here. We're watching.
Yeah. Good, Ophelia.
Go, Hadley. Good job, Hadley.
Kate, go two. Go two. There you go, Felicity. Stay with the
Hey,
girl.
Cass, get out wide. When it's in a bunch like
Nice.
that.
Take her, Ophelia. Take her. Good, Scarlett. That's the one. That's the one.
Well done, Olive. Well
Good
done.
job.
Play.
Scarlett, much better. Ophelia, that's where we needed to be, right here. Scarlett, that's what much better.
You'll probably get the ball and have a shot, have a straight shot. 5. So just make sure you stay out of that crowd when it's.
On the black shirt, White.
All right, let's
Can we
step
find
up.
someone,
Wildfire, step
White?
up.
Can we find someone?
Yep, keep
Scarlett,
that foot down.
you take
Keep
it.
that foot down. Here you go, guys.
Okay.
Keep the foot down. Right here, Scarlett, on the orange line.
All right, let's defend, Wildfire.
All
Let's
right,
go.
Ophelia and Kate, down that field.
Mora,
We want
Mora,
it.
track back. You're a defender. More back. Get between this play and the goal, Mora.
Down.
Mara.
Down the line.
Do you know what I mean by between the play and the goal? So get like behind Ashley where she is right now. Shift over and back. Yep.
Earn it. Good, Ophelia.
Good.
Step, Scarlett, step. Well done, White. Stay with it.
big, hold it. Bigger, Macy.
All right, Miley, bring it back to the middle. It's a kickoff. It's a kickoff. Is it a kickoff?
No, she stopped it.
Yeah. Just kidding.
Go, Ashley!
Good, Scarlett. Well done. Scarlett, can you earn that? Can you earn it, Scarlett? Come on. Good, Miley. Well done, Ophelia. Take her, take her. Take her, kid. Keep going, keep going.
Swing it. Excellent,
Good,
Allison.
Felicity. Well, way to be there. Find her, find her. Can you find her?
All right, who's there for the cross? Cass, that's you. Cass, you run in there.
Ophelia, you good?
It's okay.
Need a sub? All right, head up, head up. Goal kick, White, goal kick.
Line up on that dotted blue.
All right, Ophelia, be ready. All right, Ridley, be ready. Go to Brooklyn, go to outside, outside. Very nice, White. That's the one. Good step, Felicity. Good
Let's get
step.
back.
Well done, Ophelia. Well done.
Good job, Hadley.
Well done,
Go, Hadley, all the way.
There you go, Ophelia. Excellent.
Let's defend the goal. Mara, defend the goal. Mara, back more. Mara, you got to take about 10 steps back. Get it, Savannah. Yay! Good job, Savannah.
Well done, well done.
Ophelia, good work, good work. Ophelia, back it up, back it up.
Now.
There you go.
All right,
now
Cass,
it's you,
turn.
Now it's you, now it's you. Win that, win that.
Go, go, go. Go, Hadlin. Go, Hadlin. Go, Hadlin. Go, go, go. Go, Hadlin.
Good, Scarlett. Well done,
Good job.
Scarlett.
And carry it up.
Get back, Scarlett. Come on, we gotta earn it back.
Who's there? Go, Hadlin.
Out of there, White.
Good team. Turn and shoot, Cass. Turn
Go
and shoot.
two, White. Go two.
It's okay.
All right, Lydia, you good? You good over there?
Go, Evelyn, we're good together. Go with it, Evelyn.
I know.
2 minutes. Well done, Lucy. Evelyn, Eloise, up the field.
I'm putting you in for Kate.
Quick, Evelyn, quick.
Right here. Wait for the ref. Are we good to sub? Kate! Kate! All the way on the red side. Kate, come on!
Where's the pass, Layla? Where's your sister? Well done. Now keep going, Layla. Keep going, keep going.
Okay, good job. Awesome work. Okay, quick set because I'm putting you right back in. Fastest you. Where are you going? Gotta go around this way.
Kate's like, I don't know.
Go to the goal.
Yeah. Like, I'm trying to stay Swing it out. Swing it wide. Swing it wide. Good job. Ashley, get ready for it.
Watch the ball, White. Watch it.
All right, good job.
All right, let's go, ladies. Hard work. 25 more minutes, okay?
Ladies. Of today, you got it. Put it all out there.
Hard work, White, hard work. We want the ball.
Corner kick. Corner kick.
Call your arm wrong.
Let's see.
Corner, it's red ball.
Hey, Cass. Why don't you run up and take the corner kick?
It's the other team's ball.
Yep.
White, I need you all in the ball.
Yep. Run, run, run. All right. Mara, come on up to midfield. Yep.
Good throw, Rosie.
Miley, look behind you. All right, Ridley, what do you see? Nice, fine, Ridley.
Here we go the other way, Rosie. Big spaces, Bailey. Lucy, where should we be? Take the space, Eloise. Make her, Lucy.
Go two, White, go two. All right, Miley, that's yours to me.
Eloise has the space.
Well done, White.
All right, let's go back and defend.
Up with her, Felicity, up with her. Well done, Brooklyn.
It's all right. Goal kick, Savannah.
Ladies, you can move up to this line right here. Move up. Defensive line, shift up. Ridley, shift up. There you go. That's perfect.
Your choice, Savannah. Your choice. You just gotta pass it to somebody.
All right, Felicity, as soon as she kicks it, you can go.
Move it over if you want. Yep. And then you gotta pass with your feet.
All right, Felicity, all you, girl, all you. Good job, Felicity.
Very good out, girls.
Well done, White. Good job, White. Good teamwork. Strickland, great find. Great find. Kate. Kate, great finish, girl. Great finish. Felicity, out of the circle, girl. Out of the circle. Felicity, back it up, back it up, back it up. There you go. Good. Next time it's up. Good, Felicity. Good, Kate. Win that, win that, win that. All you. Hard work, hard work. Good work, Kate.
Let's go.
Keep going, keep going.
Go, Bailey.
Closer to me. Scarlett, faster, Scarlett, faster.
Let's go, Bailey. Take it out of there. Take it out of there.
Come on, Scarlett, up. We got to win it back.
All right, it's corner kick. Bailey, get ready for it.
Drop in the box, drop in the box. Miley, watch that post, that post. There you go, Miley. Yep, there you go, Miley. Get there, White. Who's going to win that? Well done.
It's yours, Hadley. Oh.
Miley, that was
All right, Bailey,
excellent.
look around. Take it to the outside. Go to the outside. Play the outside. Play the outside,
Get there,
Bailey,
Kate,
where there's
get
less
there.
people.
Win
Good.
it, win it, win it. Hard work, hard work. Good, Kate. That's it. That's the one. Oh, what a play.
Go, Crum!
Julia, be ready.
Bailey, go up for short. Go up for short. Run, Bailey, now!
Quick, Olive, quick.
Good job, Alex.
They're not going to sell because you're following them in. All right, perfect. That's it.
Go, who's there? it.
Win it, win it, win it.
Go ahead, Lynn. Go ahead, Lynn. Go,
Scarlett, outside, outside, Scarlett. A little bit
Bailey.
more power there.
All the way.
Ridley, all the way back, all the way back.
There's a cross. Bigger cross. Good job,
Out of there,
Hadlin. Let's
Felicity.
go.
Well done, Felicity. Excellent. Find Brooklyn, find Brooklyn.
Good. Go, 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 Crum. That's you. You got to be there.
Ridley, don't drop down.
Go, Crum.
Go two. There we go, Ridley. Ridley, outside. Don't stop it. There you go. Well done.
Good job, Bailey. Go ahead, Lynn. Go ahead, Lynn. Go ahead, Lynn.
That's fine. Sub. Felicity, Felicity. Run. Lydia, run. Awesome job. You were rocking it. That's you, Ridley. Goal kick, point, goal kick. Oh, Keely, that's your kick.
Kobe scored. Go, Crum. All right, kick off. Kick off, Hadlin. You stand right there outside of that circle. Hadlin, right outside of the circle.
Good. Go two, Lydia. Go two.
Go, Crum.
All right, stop. Stay right there.
Down the line. Go.
Lydia, follow. Put up. Scarlett, sense of urgency. We're not just kicking.
Nice try, Allison. Nice try.
Brooklyn. Go. Run, Brooklyn, run. Oh, Keely, go to the first.
Corner kick, Wildfire. Cats, Mara, push up to midfield.
It's your corner. Who's going to take it?
All right, big kick, Hadlin.
Rosie behind there. Eloise, look behind you. Great touch. Here you go, find Evelyn. Well done, Macy.
It's okay, man. All right, white throw. Let's defend.
Energy. We're hot and tired.
ahead, Lynn.
Good, Scarlett. Well done. Great job, Scarlett. That's the one. Step, Lydia, step. Good job, Lydia. Keep going. Nice, Felicity. Talk to each other.
Good job, Allie. Good job, Allie.
All right, Ophelia. From your purple line. Scarlett, be up. You got that. Oh, Ophelia, purple line. Purple line. It's a goal kick. Keep down, Lydia. Win it, Lydia. Win it. Win it back. Win it back. Good, Miley. Well done. Can you find Kate? Can you find Kate? Kate, tell me where you are.
Good job, Rob.
Good job, Ryan. Keep it up. Really, you got
Go,
it.
Hadlin.
Good, Lydia. Excellent work back there.
Go, Rob. How's everyone doing?
Anyone need a break?
Anyone need a break? Wildfire. Our break. No, stay. I'll get you out in just a second.
Stay in for a second. Well done, Kate. Keep it up. Miley, tie that shoe. In a second. She hasn't come up yet. Come on, Miley. Quick.
Hard work, Manny, hard work.
Look, you got time.
Bigger, Layla, bigger.
Great pass.
No.
Great ball. Good job, Allison. Great ball, Cora.
Sub, Scarlett. Center back. Run. You got it.
You got a second, babe. Oh.
Good, Felicity. Wait, gotta move up a little bit. We're really far back.
Let's
That's
go.
you, Brooklyn. Step.
Go, Hadlin.
Good, Brooklyn.
Move around, Ophelia!
Outside, Ridley. There you go. That's yours to win, Brooklyn. Nice, Ophelia.
Good job, Cora.
Win it back, White. Win it back.
All right, let's defend.
Good, Felicity. Well done. Good job, Kate. Keep it up. Lydia, you gotta go to the ball. Miley, well
All right,
done.
Cass, that's yours. You got a second. Good job.
Go to Felicity. Good trap right there.
All right, let's go.
Outside, Ridley. Outside.
Well done, Rosie. Great stuff, Rosie.
Nice. Good job, Cora.
Good job, Cora.
Good job, Cora.
Ophelia, it's a kickoff. It's not a goal kick. Ophelia, to the top, come on. Oh, Scarlett, come on. Okay. Can we sub real quick? Miley. Right back.
I told her she's only allowed from far and from far and back, and it's got to hit the net.
I can't be mad about that. That was an incredible shot. Can't be mad about it.
So those are the only goals she can get right now. So she's having
She's solid.
She's 0 with her older siblings.
I believe it. I'm just happy we've calmed down a bit. We're playing better.
Nice, Ophelia. Oh, not in the middle, not in the middle. That's why, not in the middle. Ophelia.
That was back of the net, Cora. Good job.
You can pick it up.
Now, you and Cassidy get to know each other back there. Pay attention to the game. Make good distributions.
Ophelia, it's a kickoff. It's a kickoff. Come on. Ophelia, remember, you can't get the ball.
Big spaces, Layla, big spaces.
Go to Lydia, you gotta go to that. There we go, much better. Much better.
What you had, let's steal it back. Steal it. All right.
Go to. Good, Ridley, out of the middle. Out of that middle
Come
spot.
on, Allison.
That's yours, Ophelia. Good, there we go. Well done. Good, Ophelia, much better. Out of the middle, Ridley.
Alright, there we go. Good job, Cora. Set up Allison.
Simple pass now, simple pass.
All right, White, keep it up. Hard work,
Corner
Ophelia,
kick, White.
stand up.
There you go,
Good,
Hadley. Go,
Kate, well
Hadley.
done. Way to stay on her.
Go, Hadley.
Good, Scarlett, good step right there.
On a black shirt, Wyatt. Well done. Speed, Reggie, speed, Reggie.
Better.
Simple pass now, White. Layla.
What do you see? Oh, well done. Who's going to get there? Good, Scarlett. Great time. Well done, Scarlett. Fine, that's fine. White, Scarlett. Great time. That's you on.
Yep, Ashley Stryker and Mara. You're going to be right there. Let's go ahead.
Hard work, man. Gotta work back.
Come
Gotta
on,
work back.
in the field. You're in it. Good, Ophelia.
Jesus, up. Yes.
Come on, Ridley,
Find
to the
Allison.
ball. Ophelia, you can scoop that.
See if we can find Allison. Allison's on the
Lydia,
far
to
post.
To the ball.
Find
to the
Allison.
ball. Good, Lydia. Pressure.
There it is, Allie.
Good, Way. Out of there.
Nice
Come
try,
on,
nice
out of
try.
there.
job, Allie.
Good job, White. Better. You need a sub.
Allie,
Actually,
you're in
you'll
the
go
perfect
50.
spot. Perfect
All
spot.
right, wait a second. It's not our sub.
Hard work, hard work, hard work.
Find Allie.
Come on, Scarlett, to the ball.
There it is. Nice.
Kate, come on. Miley, you're back side. All the way over. Out of the middle, come on. Good, Felicity.
All right, Allie, go.
Go two, Will, go two. Good, Brooklyn. Brooklyn, not in the middle.
Let's see. All right, now win that ball. Take it in wide. Win the ball. Now look for your cross. Allie, get open. Allie, get open.
Going to the ball. Who's going to it? Good, Lydia, much better. Go to it, go to it.
There it is. Yep.
That's you. Ophelia in the goal.
Hard work, White. Step to the ball.
Ophelia in the goal.
There it is. Good. It was.
Ashley and Allison.
Allie, I give that one to you. It was going in.
Ophelia.
Good job, Allison.
Evelyn, your ball. Evelyn, your ball. Lucy, up the field.
Ophelia. Ophelia. Ophelia, guard that purple goal box, okay? I know you want to get the ball, but guard that box.
Let's see if we can set Hadlin up, y'all.
Felicity, you're
Hadlin,
off.
Hadlin, you ready? All right, Hadlin, they're going to try to set you up, okay?
Put that sheet on. Come on. Good, Felicity. Lydia, go two. Come on.
There she goes. All right. Find Hadlin now. Hadlin, get open. Hadlin, you got to get open. All right. Good job, Alex.
Felicity. Felicity, come on. Right, heads up. Out of the box. Ophelia, you need to back it up.
Good, Lucy.
Defense, move it up. You got it.
Less than a minute, y'all.
All right, let's set Hadlin up, okay?
Go
Go,
two, Lydia.
Hadlin.
Come on. Helen. Good, Lydia. Better.
All right, Hadlin, go to the goal, Hadlin.
Middle, Hadlin, middle.
Yep.
Hard work, hard work.
Yep.
Hadlin, stay with it.
Scarlett, there's a girl behind you. But she got
Go,
it.
Hadlin. Go to the middle. Go to the middle, Hadlin.
Fast, fast, fast.
Come on, Hadlin. Come on, Hadlin.